Alright, check this out. Saw this last night when I was putting the sticker on the windshield. The to-do list. Check this out. 1954 was the last time this was on the road. Can you read it? Very cool. Alright. We're missing spark plugs. We need a light. Where's my O light? Okay, we're missing spark plugs. We're missing a linkage somewhere in here. To work on that. We're going to check for compression. We are missing coils because those are dead. I tested those yesterday with the owner. Okay, I guess the first thing we're going to need to do is see if there's any oil in it before we start getting too crazy. So let's do that. Alright, we'll do it the easy way and use the lever. Hopefully that's in frame. Okay, there's some in it. I was told that this was drained, but I can see there's a little bit in it. It's been leaking on the floor too, so that's good. So in the first video, I put a piece of music in there. My wife says it's too loud. What do you think? Throw a comment down below this. Let me know if that music on that first video was too loud. All right, let's hook the battery up. We can do a compression test, might as well, right? This one I'm very surprised. I thought, wrongly so, that you accessed the battery like the earlier ones through here, which I suppose you could. Well, we pulled the seat out yesterday, and that seems to be where it is. I am inquiring about a key that we don't have. So we're going to throw those. I'm going to clean this one up. I'm going to tighten this one down. This is a brand new cable. Throw some power to it and see what happens. That's going to be a 1/2-inch wrench, I believe. And I'm going to do it off camera because there's no way for me to put the camera in here and have it aimed right and fall over. So let's get that done. So of course we got 1/2-inch nut on there and 9/16 on the other one. Why not, right? I am also going to see if I can find my meter. I'm going to hook up to this mag line. Let's see if the mag works while we're spinning this here. Here's the mag meter. I know it's in a really cool box. It's the box it came with. Now how am I going to see this? I guess I'm going to have you watch. I'll have you watch while I crank the car over, and then you can tell me if it worked or not. Well, that was anticlimactic. Okay, we got issues. Okay, on to what should have been test number 1, I guess. Do we have current here? 6 volts, okay. So the battery's okay. It does not turn over. Thought maybe the battery was down. It's not. Let's try this. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, this is not going to be a just crank it up and walk away. This thing is seized solid. I can put this away for a while. Alright, well, guess we got more work to do.